Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete an expense in Expensify. Now as you can see right here, I have this expense that was created. If you want to delete this, all you need to do is come here on the left hand panel, click on reports, okay? And then make sure you click on expenses. Now here under expenses, just locate the expense you would like to delete. So I want to delete this one quick mark that totals 598 Kenyan shillings. You just need to click on it and then you'll get this, options on the right hand panel. Now click here on more and then just click on delete. Right here, you'll get this pop up. They'll ask you if you're sure you want to delete this expense. Go ahead and just click on delete and it will be gone. As you can see right here, that expense has been deleted. Okay, that is how you delete an expense in Expensify.